Hey friends, if you encounter this issue that the organization manages updates on this PC and you're unable to update it, then it means that your system is connected to an organization and you will have to contact the server admin of that organization to update your system. You do not have the authority to do that on your own. But if it is a system that was purchased from an organization or you're not a part of that organization anymore, then you can simply reset your PC. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Okay. And then scroll down and select recovery. Click on reset PC, remove everything. Wait till you get the option for cloud download and select that option. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.